Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into something that feels less like an RV and more like a five-star hotel on wheels. BMW has stunned the automotive and luxury travel world with the reveal of the 2026 BMW Motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just carry you across the country, but makes you feel like you're living in a palace while doing it. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B. This is about redefining what it means to travel in luxury. Forget every other RV you've ever seen, because BMW has brought their iconic blend of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge design into the world of motorhomes, and the result is breathtaking. Let's start with the motorhome itself, because it's a masterpiece before you even step inside. From the outside, BMW's sharp lines, bold grille, and futuristic LED accents make it instantly recognizable as a member of the family, but scaled up to RV proportions. It's sleek yet imposing, managing to look powerful without feeling like a bulky road giant. Every detail is crafted to echo BMW's luxury DNA. The flush surfaces, aerodynamic flow, and attention to detail scream refinement. But step through those automatic sliding doors, and you'll understand why this motorhome is turning heads everywhere. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort, built with premium materials like soft-touch leathers, brushed aluminum, and handcrafted wood finishes. BMW has taken what they do best in their cars, sophistication and driver-focused design, and stretched it into an expansive home that you can take anywhere in the world. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, because BMW hasn't just thrown in a basic cooking space. They've created a gourmet chef's station. Imagine countertops made of polished stone that seem to glow under ambient lighting, a smart induction cooktop seamlessly integrated into the surface, and a refrigerator that feels more like it belongs in a luxury apartment than in a vehicle. There's even a built-in wine cooler, because BMW knows their audience. This motorhome isn't just for camping, it's for fine dining on the move. Touchscreen controls let you manage the appliances with a swipe of your finger, and the storage is cleverly designed to maximize space while keeping everything tucked neatly away. Cooking on the road no longer feels like a compromise. In the 2026 BMW Motorhome, it feels like a privilege. Step into the bedroom, and you'll see why people are calling this a rolling mansion. BMW has designed the sleeping area to feel like a luxury hotel suite, complete with a king-size bed dressed in premium linens and surrounded by ambient lighting that can be customized for mood. Panoramic windows on both sides open up the space, letting you wake up to sunrises over the mountains or fall asleep under a blanket of stars. The furniture is modular, so with a push of a button, the bed area can transform into a lounge or a workspace, proving that BMW thought about flexibility just as much as comfort. Every detail, from the built-in reading lights to the hidden storage compartments, feels intentional, crafted to make your experience seamless and luxurious. This isn't just a place to sleep, it's a retreat you'll never want to leave. And of course, the bathroom is where BMW really flexes its innovation. Unlike typical cramped RV bathrooms, this one feels like stepping into a spa. There's a rainfall shower with adjustable temperature and pressure settings, lined with stone-textured tiles that create a spa-like environment. The vanity is sleek and modern, with an illuminated mirror and premium fixtures that wouldn't look out of place in a five-star resort. Heated flooring ensures comfort even in colder climates, and the entire space is designed with both elegance and practicality in mind. You're not roughing it here. You're experiencing a spa day every time you freshen up. The 2026 BMW Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's an experience, a symbol of what happens when innovation, design, and pure luxury collide. It's a motorhome for those who don't want to compromise on lifestyle while exploring the open road, for those who demand elegance at every turn. Whether you're cooking a gourmet meal, sinking into the comfort of your bedroom suite, or rejuvenating in your private spa bathroom, this motorhome delivers it all with BMW's unmistakable touch of class. If you thought BMW was just about cars, think again. They've redefined what a motorhome can be, and it's nothing short of pure royal luxury. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more reviews of the most extraordinary vehicles in the world, and let me know in the comments if you'd take the 2026 BMW Motorhome on your dream road trip.